From colonial racetracks to modern ranches and high-stakes arenas, one-horse breed embodies the American spirit more than any other, the quarter horse. In this video, you'll discover its origins, physical traits, recognized coat colors, temperament, strengths and limitations, feeding realities, and even genetic challenges. And at the end, I'll give you a practical buyer's checklist, a tool that breeders and trainers actually use when evaluating a quarter horse. If you find value here, please subscribe. It helps inside horses grow and keeps knowledge like this flowing. The quarter horse story begins in the 1600s, when English colonists in Virginia crossed local mares with imported thoroughbreds. These horses were built for short sprints of a quarter mile, which is how they earned their name. A stallion called Janus, imported from England in 1752, left a huge mark on the early breed, shaping the compact, muscular sprinter type. According to the American Quarter Horse Association, quarter-mile racing was already popular by 1674, and as settlers pushed westward, these horses became indispensable for ranching and cattle work. In 1940, the AQHA was founded, and today it is the largest equine registry in the world, with over 6 million quarter horses registered. Quarter horses generally stand 14 to 16 hands high and weigh between 950 and 1,200 pounds. But numbers alone don't tell the story. The quarter horse has a distinctive look. A short, refined head with a straight or slightly concave profile and wide-set, expressive eyes. A moderately short, muscular neck, blending into sloping shoulders built for strength and balance. A broad, deep chest, supporting lung capacity and endurance for bursts of work. Defined withers that hold the saddle comfortably without being overly prominent. A short, strong back, adding stability and making them ideal for quick maneuvers. The hallmark, powerful, rounded hindquarters, the engine of the breed, designed for sudden acceleration, stops, and turns. Strong, clean legs with broad cannons, sturdy joints, and short pasterns that support durability. Hard, well-shaped hooves, a point of pride for the breed, though quality can vary with bloodlines. Stallions tend to be more heavily muscled and cresty, while mares are slightly more refined, but still built for both athleticism and endurance. The quarter horse is equally admired for its mind. Breeders intentionally selected for a calm, trainable temperament. According to trainers across the AQHA network, quarter horses are steady, people-oriented, and quick learners. Their legendary cow sense, an instinctive ability to anticipate cattle movement, makes them the dominant choice in cutting, reining, and roping. Sorrel's shade of chestnut is the most iconic color, but AQHA recognizes 17 base colors, including bay, black, palomino, buckskin, dun, grullo, roans, cremello, pralino, and gray. Modern genetic research highlights even more variations, such as smoky black and champagnes. According to the AQHA's official color guide, the key is that quarter horses present in solid colors with white markings, while bold pinto patterns usually fall under the American Paint Horse Registry. Quarter horses are celebrated for explosive speed, agility, stopping power, trainability, and versatility. But as nutritionists at Mad Barn USA point out, many are easy keepers, horses that gain and maintain weight easily. While this was useful on sparse rangeland, in today's feeding environments it increases risks of obesity, insulin resistance, and laminitis. Compared with breeds like the thoroughbred, they may also be less efficient at long-distance endurance or extended gaits. Experts at the University of Kentucky's equine program recommend forage-first diets, careful control of non-structural carbohydrates, and consistent exercise for quarter horses. Slow feeders, tested hay, and balancing alfalfa with lower-calorie grass hay are common strategies. The key: Match the diet to the horse's actual workload, not its potential. The AQHA encourages all owners to test for 6 important genetic conditions, often called the 6-panel test. Here's what they mean in simple terms. HYPP, a muscle disorder that can cause trembling or even collapse. It came from a famous stallion named Impressive. Horses with 2 copies of this gene cannot be registered. PSSM1, a problem with how muscles store and use energy. Horses can get stiff or tie up, but with a special diet and exercise, they can still live and work well. GBED, a fatal problem for foals. If they inherit 2 copies, they cannot survive because their body cannot store energy properly. HERDA, a skin condition where the skin is fragile and tears easily, especially in some cutting horse bloodlines. MH, malignant hyperthermia, rare, but can cause dangerous overheating during surgery or extreme stress. MYHM, also called IMM, a muscle problem where the immune system mistakenly attacks the horse's own muscles, causing stiffness and pain. The key point is simple. These tests don't mean quarter horses are unhealthy. They mean that responsible breeders and buyers check the results before breeding or buying, so they can make safe choices and avoid surprises. Stallions often show more muscle and crest, while mares are slightly more refined. Both sexes excel in performance and ranch work. For beginner riders or families, geldings are often the most reliable choice. Versatility defines the quarter horse. The AQHA notes their success in cutting, reining, roping, barrel racing, western pleasure, trail, versatility, ranch horse competitions, and of course, quarter horse racing. Their body structure favors acceleration, agility, and rapid directional changes, perfect for both the ranch and the arena. When it comes to abilities, the quarter horse is famous for its versatility. On the ranch, it shines with its strong hindquarters, balanced body, and a steady ground-covering walk that makes it the perfect partner for long hours of work and versatility competitions. In the cutting and roping arenas, the breed's lightning-fast reflexes and natural cow sense allow it to anticipate cattle movements with uncanny precision, making it the cowboy's most trusted ally. In reining, the quarter horse demonstrates remarkable flexibility, discipline, and concentration. Its strong loins, deep hock engagement, and short back give it the power to execute flawless spins, sliding stops, and smooth circles, hallmarks of the sport. In barrel racing and other speed events, it transforms into a sprinter, using its long hips, uphill balance, and sprinting bloodlines to explode out of turns and shave precious seconds off the clock. And for families or trail riders, the quarter horse proves once again why it is considered the world's most versatile horse. Calm temperament, sturdy feet, and overall soundness make it not just a competitor, but also a safe and enjoyable companion for riders of all ages. The quarter horse is often called the world's most versatile horse. Compact, powerful, calm, and willing, equally suited for work and family life. Before buying a quarter horse, there are a few important points to keep in mind. First, don't just look at the papers. Watch the horse doing the kind of work you expect, whether it's ranch tasks, barrels, or trail riding. Pay close attention to the legs and feet. Since soundness, there is what keeps a horse working comfortably for years. It's also wise to see how the horse reacts under pressure. If it spooks, does it calm down quickly or stay nervous? That simple test tells you a lot about its temperament. Check its body condition too, neither overweight nor underfed, but healthy and balanced. And never skip the genetic testing results. Responsible breeders will have them ready, and they give you peace of mind about potential health issues. Finally, make sure the AQHA registration is in order, with proper paperwork that confirms the horse's identity and background. Taken together, these steps can save you from costly mistakes and help you find a partner that truly fits your needs. The American Quarter Horse truly is made in USA, a mix of frontier grit and modern performance. If this deep dive helped, please subscribe to Inside Horses. And tell us, what do you use a quarter horse for? Ranch, reining, barrels, or simply trail rides? Your stories enrich this community. Until next time, ride safe.